Right now, we're playing this. Squirrel Stapler, interactive small hunting. Made by David Szymanski, I believe is how you pronounce the last name. It's on Steam, it's like $6 or $7, something like that. I remember watching a playthrough of it a long time ago, and I was like, wow, this game is fucked up. I gotta play that. So now we're gonna play that. Let's hunt. Always a good start. We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom. But our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. Not the woods, the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Ah. It's gotta be one of those fucking games, isn't it? Alright. Flies are so loud. Oh. Paper. Book of the Grove, Chapter 4, Verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. First of all, apparently you don't know the name of this game. So, I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta staple the squirrels. In 5 days, God is coming. That's probably fine. Oh. It's a really nice game. It is time to hunt the squirrels. Tip of the day. Use the map default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Oh. Oh, I'm in the bottom left. Okay. Okay, there's sprint. Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. You can run, default shift, while standing or crouching, but be careful, it's louder. Stay low, default control. To hide in the foliage and creep quietly. Use patches of grass to hide. Use your ears. You can usually hear squirrels chatting and moving before you could see them. Your rifle is equipped with a scope. Use it to bag varmints at long range, default right mouse. Oh god, that's so loud. I am so fucking sorry. Poison grass, do not eat. Oh. Oh. We got one, boys. Alright. Oh. I wouldn't say it's much of a scope, but oh, you can't move at all. You're scoped. Oh. So sneaky. Oh. Meow. Meow. Is there a squirrel at my house? I feel like this is really calming, like it can be. But given the nature of the weird shit that I have to do, it kinda takes down the calmness of it. You know. But yeah, I like the way the game looks. I like pixelated stuff like this. I like this. Oh shit. There's a squirrel over there. There's a squirrel right there, boys. We gotta get that there varmint. Pow! Oh, fuck. Did we get it? We got it. Hell yeah. How do I get up there? Nice. Found today's geocache, 1 out of 5. Find all 5 in one playthrough for a reward. Okay. I scrolled up here and I saw bullets. squirrel. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, you gotta... Oh, fuck. You gotta... Skunk 'em! Get skrunked. Did you get runkled, Squirrel Man? Okay. A fucking elk? I hunt the elk! Oh, there's more bullets. Oh, that's not like a pickup, that's just like a... There's things there. Okay. Okay, that red dot was the geocache, I guess. I don't know what the point of the geocache is. I thought I was just out here skrunkling squirrels. What? I guess I have secondary objectives? Tower? I guess we should go to the tower? There's health pickup here. Why do I need a health pickup? The Lady Part 1. Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted through the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved the paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation, as he imagined she must look. He was then informed that due to a terrible mix-up, the hair had actually come from a wild boar. Alright. I thought we were gonna get like a creepy, like, love story, and... No, we got fucking that. Oh. I see you. You're gonna get scrunkled. Where'd it go? I know it was down there. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Oh. There you go, we're closer. Bam! Got it. Got it! Just built different. Oh. Beat me up, Scotty. Okay, there's something out in the woods up there. Up here, though. Guess I should probably go the right way. There's more health out here. Why do I need health? Oh, squirrel. Surely I got it. Yeah! Bam! These are enough squirrels for today. I should head back home. Hello, squirrel. That's fine, we'll leave him alone. Squirrels can sometimes run at speeds of 20 miles per hour. Nice fact! Soda? Energy drink, double speed. Oh. Thanks, I guess. Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your score. Okay. That happened. I'm sorry. I don't... Okay. I knew that was a thing, but like, what the fuck? This is weird. This. Oh, hold up. More paper! Squirrel fact. Squirrels could survive a fall as much as 30 feet and jump up to 20 feet. Well, that is an interesting fact. Squirrels can also survive terminal velocity. Fun fact, chat. What did? Oh. Why does that hurt? Ugh. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week. Fun fact. Okay. I don't... Okay. What's out here? Paper. Nothing of note to report. Some marginal abnormalities in reading that went away once I recalibrated. Some odd noises during the night, probably squirrels. Overall, everything's pretty quiet. Come back tomorrow for another report. Okay. Oh. Energy drink. And there's something here. Is it more health? There sure be a lot of health around. The squirrels have 4 sharp toes on their front feet for climbing, and 5 toes on their back feet. Thank you for the fun squirrel fact. I am perturbed by the amount of health pickups there are. I don't particularly care for that. Oh. Cool. Oh. More note. Squirrels use their tails for many things, including balance and as a parachute when falling. I did not know this fact. If that's true, that's neat. Squirrels are funny little guys. I don't understand this. Okay, I'm going the right way. We're almost back home. I'm coming, my beautiful wife, who I'm gonna put squirrels on, I guess. Where's everything back here? Oh. That would come in handy for tomorrow. Alright, back in my lovely abode. Wife didn't eat dinner. Is it the same? Yep. Thou shalt not staple squirrels. Joke's on you, buddy. Press action, default left mouse to staple the squirrels to your beloved. That's a thing that I did. Oh. I'm sleeping! I'm doing a sleep. Ah, what a refreshing night. I was listening to the flies with my wife. Is this new? Oh, Book the Grove, Chapter 4, Verse 2. For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means. I'm doing a bad thing by stapling squirrels, aren't I? I mean, obviously I want to say, haha, no shit, it's gonna be a bad thing you're stapling squirrels to a corpse, but today I must hunt the big squirrel. Okay. Hi. Hell yeah. Okay, it's all the same. Okay. so we gotta hunt the big squirrel. Is it just like a squirrel, but it's just like slightly larger? That's what I'm expecting. It's just like us. It's the same sprite, but it's just like slightly bigger. Okay, there's no geocache up here. Oh, then, where did it go? Do I have any other buttons? 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 I don't think I have any other buttons. Really upsetting. I wanted more buttons to do things. Okay. Let's get up here and let's get a big up view. Oh. Vengeful squirrel ghost? Is that what that fucking said? Huh? I shot a ghost squirrel. Because that's a thing you can do. I guess. Fucking huh? This change? The artist was inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. One of these walks he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me." For a few pennies, she said, his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed and the spell was cast, only that he didn't remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. Oh. That's gonna be like some horrible, like... She's brought to life, but like, she's just cut in half. Right, is that what I'm to be believing? To be thunking so? Let me up! Bow! 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 Let me up! I want uppies. What the fuck? That was a weird noise. I didn't like that. Okay, well the health's down there, but the paper's gone. Why's the paper gone? What happened to the paper? Let's see if I can get some of that. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I need squirrels. No squirrels? Where are the squirrels at? Oh. Oh, that wasn't a squirrel. Was that not a squirrel? Where are all the squirrels at? All squirrels in the club, let me see. Hey, wayo. Alright. I don't know. Let's go over here. Run in, get the healing. Oh shit! What the fuck? What was a fucking squirrel ghost? Man, this shit gets weird. Oh wait, let me go to the sin shack. Oh, there's paper. Okay, it's the same. Sins! I hate that noise. Why does it sound like I'm printing something? What the fuck could I be printing out here in the middle of nowhere? Shut up! Oh. Is that the big squirrel? Bammo! Holy shit. That's a big goddamn squirrel. Honey, I think I know what I can make your skin out of. Big fucking squirrel. Hold up. I seen one. I gotta sneak up on it. Otherwise it might see me. Whiskey! Gotcha! Another one? Bam! I don't like those noises. Hell yeah. But we gotta go. Oh. But we gotta go find all the weird shit. In 2007, 14 squirrels were arrested in Iran. Alright. That was indeed a fun fact. Thank you for this fun fact. Pardon me, Sin Shack. I gotta go to this weird place in the corner. Up. This game's fucking weird, but this is entertaining. Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside the door. Looks like maybe an animal is leaving them, but I'm not. I'm noting it as per my instructions. Okay. Energy drink. Aw. No note there this time. Let's just keep skedoodling. A male squirrel is supposed to be female and heat up to a mile away. Ah. Oh. Hell yeah. More slurp. Let's go up a hill, I guess. We fucking can. I think we just go home now. Alright? Well, let's just skedoodle home. Let's get out of here, gang. Where the hell's my house? There it is. Now I'll double check to make sure these notes weren't actually different. Use F to call. Oh. Ah, okay. So I was making that harder on myself anyway. We're gonna have dinner, Ned? Nope, still nothing on the plates. No dinner for me. That shouldn't change. Oh. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin or give me yours instead. Honey? But the squirrels, honey. The squirrels! This game's fucking weird. I know I've said that like a million times. Alright, honey. Kiss, kiss. I'll be back. I have to go get more squirrels. Is this different now? Book of the Grove, Chapter 4, Verse 3. Rather like the righteous squirrel. The wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. I got plenty of nuts! Just nothing to eat, apparently. We just don't eat anything, I guess. 'Cause there's nothing fucking here. Alright. Something was scratching out the windows last night. I should look for tracks. Be careful. Large predators will investigate loud noises. Oh. Oh. Something out there is hunting me. What's gonna come investigate? A bonus double squirrel, let's go! We love that for me. But what's supposed to be hunting me? I don't like the thought. Oh. Honka. What the fuck is that? Is that just a rock? I thought that was moving. Was that not moving? Am I just crazy? What the fuck is making that noise? Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh! Jesus fuck. Why? What the fuck was that thing? Squirrels use chemosensory leg and feet hairs to identify food. They track it with their front antenna. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound correct. What the? I don't like the noises. I hate them, actually. I want more bullets. The newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and entrails flopped around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked to the old woman who was examining the pennies he'd given her, unfazed. She caught his gaze, shrugged, and said, "I'll reserve a special spell for these circumstances." She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. What the fuck? Ah! Well, I'd rather not run into another one of those fucking things. Giant fucking meatball squirrel thing. Oh. Cool. Okay. I hear it. I'm worried about running into one of those fucking things again. Those things seemingly take like, what, probably 3 shots or something? That's enough squirrels for today. I would agree, but now I have to go check out the other places, because now there's weird shit happening. I really don't wanna. I really don't wanna. Shut up. I'm not here for you. I saw a note down there. Was there a note over here? Squirrels have urine release valves under their eyes and urinate on each other's faces to communicate. You know, I think your squirrel facts are getting a little... Shut. I think your squirrel facts are getting a little infactual. Their guy. Nothing down there again. I hate it. I hate that so much. I'm sure those things touching me are also bad. I know the giant exploding squirrel flesh meatball things are bad. Oh, there's a note. Squirrels break down their food with a structure called gastric mill, which is located in their stomach. See, that sounds factually correct, but I don't know. There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks, and I hear it at night moving through foliage and scratching on the concrete. And in the morning, there are squirrels outside the door with their limbs all pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them. Requesting a call for instruction on how to proceed. Okay. Why the fuck am I out here with this thing? I don't like this. I should probably get ammo. Owie. Health. Where's the sin shack? There it is. Let's commit our sins. Alright, sins committed. Every day you could commit sins. Okay, that doesn't change. What the fuck? Oh, there's one of those fucking things. shit. Okay, so it does take fucking 2 or 3. I don't like those things. I hate them. I hate them. Not a fan. But they're very loud. Okay, oh god, me thinkums we go home now. Oh wait, shit, did we go over here? Do we go to the back? I don't remember. Okay, well now I know why there's health everywhere. Okay. Let's go home. And not run any more of the giant fucking meatball things that explode. Oh, there's a note. Hello. Squirrel can regenerate lost limbs, although it could take a few years to do so. I don't know where you're getting your squirrel fit, sir, but I think you're wrong. Okay. We did it. Dinner? Oh no. Honey? There you go. Okay. Righteous man stores his nuts. Honey buddy boo bear, I love you. Why are you in the kitchen? How are you in the kitchen? Okay, you're back. Good. I don't know how the fuck you got in the kitchen. Please don't do that again. In this way, the squirrel is good and the lobster is bad, wherefore squirrels may die so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters live so that lobsters may die. That's a statement. I gotta take me a drink. I don't like this. I don't love it. Remember, sometimes it's better to hide than to fight. Okay. Huh. They're over here. Big squirrel? Big squirkle? What are you doing over here, big squirrel? Bam! Okay, it's just wind. Still hated it. Still hated it. We're gonna walk on the outside for a minute. Ammo. I'll take some ammo. Shut. Is it just me, or is foliage getting thicker? That may just be me. Double squirrel. What does it mean, double squirrel? Oh, it has 2 heads and 2 tails. Okay. Oh, there's the geocache, okay. Not what I'm looking for, but... Oh, hi, honey. Honey? What are you doing out here? Honey? Why are you out here? How are you out here? Honey, I didn't think you had any fucking legs. Double squirrel. Bam. Grab this. My snookums is still down there. Alright, let's go check our things for today. Oh my god, it does take 3. Oh, I hate it. Still don't know what that fucking thing's called. It's in the walls now, in the concrete, looking for my brain. I can't find it because my brain is inside my skull. But it will. It will peel away skin and bone to get inside. My brain is taken. I will come for you. I will break you open. I will take yours instead. I'm in the shadows now. I'm seeing you cower. You're already stretched apart into pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. What the fuck is going on in this game, dude? What the fuck is happening? Oh, bullets. I need bullets for the revolution. Ow. Alright, we gotta go find the sin shack. We gotta go commit our sins. Let's go print out the sins. Alright, sins printed. Can we leave now? Ooh. Nope. Nope. Fuck that. I wish I knew what those fucking things were even called, man. They just keep calling them like... I don't know, squirrel hot pockets. I really don't know what those fucking things are. Squirrel bear. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta get away. Ah, fuck, Jesus. Ugh. Rhyminy. Squirrels are capable of hating you. Oh, I can think of one that fucking does! A fucking squirrel bear. I don't know what the hell a squirrel bear is, but I don't like it and it don't like me. Ugh, hold on. My headset. The artist lifted the axe, tears streaming out his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and writhed. He brought it down again, separating her skull into two parts. Somehow she still screamed. Again the axe came down, and again and again and again, until she screamed no more. Okay, what a happy love story. Tee-hee-hee. Let's go get a speed boost. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, honey, you good? You're still down there. At least you're not marked as a hostile by the scope. That's good. Let's leave. Let's take a note out of Patrick Starr's notebook. He has an idea. Let's leave. Oh. Squirrels are always watching. Oh. Well, joke's on them. I'm going home. Fuck them. Honey, are you having dinner again? No. This changed? Nope. The lobster is bad. Lobster's still bad. No good, you returned home. There you go, honey. Ugh. I gotta sleep the sins away. I gotta adjust my headset real quick, hold on. Oh, there we go. Alright, honey, I'll be back with more squirrels. Alright, is this any different? And I say unto you, in these final days the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion, so the stapler will become the stapled. I don't want to be stapled. No dinner? God is coming today. I don't like this. Good luck, it says. Squirrel. That changed? Nope. There are many squirrels. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry. Huh. I don't like the noises. Oh shit. Is that fucking Oh, I think I'm dead here. I gotta go over here and I gotta run for health. speed boost. I don't like the way the trees bend and ebb and flow as I move. Huh. Please, no more squirrel bears. Shit. Huh. More bullets. The artist's ears rang as he turned to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought to me? How can I ever escape what has been done here? What penny spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" The old woman examined the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains, but it was poison and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. What a lovely story. Still a better love story than Twilight. I can't wait to get over here and there to be a fucking squirrel bear. Shit. It was a regular squirrel. Fucking ghost squirrel. Nope. I don't want it. Can I just hide in here? Fuck, no you can't. Jesus. Man. A bonus double squirrel. Oh, I must prepare to meet God. But I didn't read the things! I didn't read the extra things, though. And I didn't get to go to the Sin Shack. What about my daily sinnage? Oh god. Oh fuck. We just gotta run and hope we find Sodi. Oh fuck. Oh, there's a sody over here. Go, 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 go. Oh. I don't like that. Hate it. I don't like it. He doesn't have to. He really doesn't have to. It's perfectly fine if he does it. It's perfectly fine. You don't have to. What if we didn't? Oh, I did it. I touched it. I'm running. Oh! What the fuck? We did it! I think. What? I have no words. Like, zero. Well, that was the fucking thing, I guess. Okay. I love that the music is like 5 seconds long and it just replays. Alright, well, that was Squirrel Stapler. It's by David Szymanski. I butchered that last thing. You can find it over on Steam. Yeah. Alright, that was that. I'm gonna go now, and I'm never gonna think about this again.